with our phone, we will be able to actually use our phones and move around.
Very cool.
It's moving! There is a very powerful block in here that we can use. Oh my god. That is so fun. Now it's moving.
Oh, this is so cool.
Imagine what else we can do. There's so many endless possibilities that can happen when we look at objects, when objects touch each other, when the objects fall, when the objects go up. Endless possibilities. We have the sky, we have the world, and this is the code that we can use to share with everyone. Oh, where is this fish?
Amazing.
Oh my god, it's moving. Yay! In order to see it with our headset, we will need to click on this one.
Make a virtual reality. It was.
Love this class.
Thank you.